Hey guys, Sound Syndrome's Chris B here.
Mike Swift here, Sound Syndrome.
So Z of Sound Syndrome.
Sound over everything, SOE.
It's your boy Stoneburgh out here representing Sound Syndrome.
I hope everyone is staying safe during this pandemic here in Sault Ste. Marie.
I just want to say keep your eyes open for that upcoming album,
Dreamcatchers,
Medicine Wheel.
Stay tuned for release dates coming to you in the zoo.
I want to take this time to give a shout out to CC, CONiKA,
As well as Jermaine Henry on that new track. I've been over here listening to mixing. It's really starting to come together.
Also want to say, during this time of pandemic, just keep it real, stay safe.
Hope y'all staying safe, man.
Stay safe, stay home. Peace.
Peace.
On my own time, I'ma do it on my own time. I won't worry, won't play no mind. I'ma do it on my own time, own time. On my own time, I'ma do it on my own time. I won't worry, won't play no mind. I'ma do it on my own time, own time.
No more forcing shit, I'm enforcing shit and how I relate in relationships. No more desperate shit, I'm complete and content with or without, no doubt in my self-esteem. Everything is everything, not taken personally. Yo, I'm just taking it back at the perspective they lack. No worries, love remains never left. It will always be here even after death. Check, it will always be here even after death. Love remains never left. Love remains never left.
On my own time, I'ma do it on my own time. I won't worry, won't play no mind. I'ma do it on my own time, own time. On my own time, I'ma do it on my own time. I won't worry, won't play no mind. I'ma do it on my own time, own time.
Me being alive is a protest. I worked hard, no regrets. Fly across the galaxy, oasis through the Milky Way Express. Cause I build movements of ruins with lucid dreams. I'm coming to do this, I'm ruthless. I'm careful, not careless, not impressed. I'm wearful, pressed to get my share full. Light shining, someday I'll leave this world without even dying. For we are not the same, I am a Martian. I have eyes, nose, mouth, and ears. They can't tell us apart then. My growth lies like a pencil hit sharp. And the more I give, the smaller I am. The dull part of a bigger plan. I expect to reflect what I really am. I expect to reflect what I really am.
On my own time, I'ma do it on my own time. I won't worry, won't play no mind. I'ma do it on my own time, own time. On my own time, I'ma do it on my own time. I won't worry, won't play no mind. I'ma do it on my own time, own time.
Life ain't a race, you could move at a snail's pace. Long as you keep it up, you're going someplace. Spirit can hear it when fear has been misplaced. That's when our prayers are answered in true grace. Faced with a choice and encouraged to check oneself. Use your heart's voice, don't despair or go wreck yourself. Take isolation and patience is shaping you, prepping you for all the great things you're to go through. Strength is in numbers, not merely brute force. Good with each other, resilience is in force. Power is practiced by learning the natural law. What's got druid like Bruce Lee, my flow is wall.
It's in our bloodlines and shines through our artistry. It's in our music cause it's in our heartbeats. On my own time, I'ma do it on my own time. I won't worry, won't play no mind. I'ma do it on my own time, own time. On my own time, I'ma do it on my own time. I won't worry, won't play no mind. I'ma do it on my own time, own time.
Everybody else that contributed to this project to make it happen. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you guys.